Yeah, welcome to Veda Pathshala. This is Sanjeev. Okay, today we are going to know what is dream and why, how we need to achieve it, and why we don't let our dream die. Let's move to the what's the real meaning of making a dream. We just before we go into, we just see the one small video which defines the real meaning of dream of a kid. So from childhood onwards, everyone should have some dream. To achieve it, they should work out. Let's see. Let's meet our Jai Parker. He's a unique kid. You see, everyone is listening, ma'am class, and the one only the person, his Parker, is dreaming. He want to fly. This is his dream. And ma'am shouting at him, "Why you are not listening to class? You lose the subject, like that." She said. After 5 years later, everyone is looking the results and they're thinking that yeah, we got marks. I got good marks. I even got first mark, first rank. But our Parker is going in a direction to achieve his dream. And after 10 years in the placement day, all are thinking that in which company I will get the job. And oh, there are so many people attending. Did I get the job? And our Parker is same way. He's living and loving his job to achieve his dream. Whenever we have alumni meet, everyone is saying that I got this, I got that, I'm the this, I'm the king. Like that they are discussing. But in the middle, our Parker just went, and he's saying, I'm going to start a company. And everyone is laughing at him, and they are thinking that he's an idiot and making him fool. After some years, his dream comes true, and he started his airline own. This is what we call it as dreaming. Dream. It should not be. It is not like when you are sleeping. The dream, wish it comes true when you achieve it. It should be like this. It is like no dream is big enough. Don't let your dream die. And dream is big enough. So this is what we want to define from Veda Patashala is every student should have one dream. They should know why we are here in the earth, why God sent us, and what is the reason behind our birth. They should know it. Everyone is like Vivekananda, Abdul Kalam Garu, Mother Teresa. For each and every one will have their own path to achieve their dream or goal. Why? Because there is a reason behind every birth. God given him the chance to prove themselves on the earth. But what we are doing is we are all going in a one direction, like everyone is going in a to get the marks. So we are thinking that subject is only in the books, and if he got rank, and every parent is thinking that my kid got first rank, first rank, first rank, wakati, 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 don't do, don't do, don't do. What is this? You're running behind the marks and ranks, and you are not thinking about the actual knowledge. What is the fundamental of the subject? They are not even learning. They are thinking that I got 25 out of 20, 25, and I got 100 out of 100. And he has nil knowledge in basics. Yes, your student is first having first rank. He's good. He's having 100 marks out of 100. But you see, and he ends up with no knowledge in the subject. What is the use? If he don't have implementation knowledge, What is the use of getting this all marks, ranks, cards, marks? What is the use of it? Every parent is thinking in a wrong direction and making your kid like rushing to get marks. What is that? The real meaning of education is nothing but learning in a not only learning in the learning from the books, it is also from learning from the life, learning from the society, how to be as a as a responsible citizen of a country. You see, what is the real meaning of dream is? Dream is nothing but a dedication. You should have dedication to go through your journey. Whatever you are doing to achieve your goal, it should be like an attention mode. He should do that like with discipline. You see, with dedication. You see, Parker is always dreaming about his goal, and he have responsibility, and he should be educated in a way that he should achieve it. Every teacher will should encourage him when he is going in a different direction, different way, an unique way. We should understand that that kid has a unique knowledge, unique talent. The teacher should encourage them. When coming to education, education is not in the books. Maybe he's not good at subjects, but he's maybe good at like piano, playing piano, flute, like maybe he's very good dancer, maybe he's a very good singer, maybe he's going to become a future Balasubramaniam. Why we are not encourage the kids like them? Not only academic subjects, they have very good talent. Like they may be a future Sachin, there may be a future Balasubramaniam Garu. So we should understand what the thoughts they are having in their brain. This is what a teacher should do, and this is what a parent should think. Don't like you just want to push them in a direction, the dream which you have. Every parent will think like this. My father wants to make me doctor. My father wants to make me IITian. I am not able to, but let my kid do that. I want to. All things should be pushing him to. You want to make your dream as his dream. It is not good. It is not correct. It is not good also. He have his own dream. Let him go in this direction. Let him fly. Why you are just cutting his wings and making him is in a very wrong direction? That is totally wrong. So this is what I want to define. So let him fly in his dream and don't let die his dream. Okay, dream should not die. It should live, and it should make everyone live. So because of Parker now, there are thousand people, more than thousand people are having their own lives. They are having respect from the society. He's created employability, and we should motivate the people who is having their dreams and let them win. Let have the fruit of success. And this is what I want to tell you, all the parents and teachers, and even for the students. Please don't let your dream die. Okay, our Veda Patashala is with you. Our platform is thinking about to give the quality of education. We want to define what is the real education is, what is the real institution is. You see our logo. This is the temple of Vidya, Vidyalaya. You know Vidyalaya. It is like temple to us, and the Saraswati. She is nothing but our teacher. Our guru is our God. And each and every teacher in in our Veda Patashala is really passionate about teaching. They don't think about money. They don't think that it is a business. They think that teaching is a responsibility. to create a next generation of India. That is our responsibility to generate quality of new generation. So this is what we are trying to. Thank you so much for for your valuable views. Please subscribe to the channel, and whoever want to register for any course from KG to PG, you want coding, it is there. You want traditional activities like piano, Vedic maths, abacus, Carnatic music, we have it. We have very good faculty all over India. Each and every faculty is very passionate about teaching. They always think that how much I can give to my student. That is what the main common quality all my faculty have. I hope you all understand. Let's come together. We grow together. We learn together. We enjoy learning. I want to make the subject, I want to make the education is also like a game. We should enjoy it. We play and we learn. So, this is what I want to tell you all, guys. Let's join with us and learn together, grow together, live together, together to win, to achieve our success. Thank you. This is Sanju signing off. Bye.